Going on, everybody, back for another video. Today we are going to learn how to multiply matrices in Google Sheets. Alright, so over here you can see we have some matrices. We got matrix A and B, and we're going to multiply those two. This is the first two up here. And then we got matrices C and D, that's the second two right here. And then matrices E and F, that's the last ones right here. I've already got the matrices entered. So for example, whenever you have a matrix, say like this matrix A, you see we've got the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you enter the matrix into Google Sheets, each element has its own cell. You see that? The 1 has its own cell, the 2, the 3, the 4, and so on. So I've got them all entered into Google Sheets. And I don't know, sometime in this video I may say Excel instead of Google Sheets. If I do, I mean Google Sheets. Okay. Alright, so let's look at the different ways that we can do this. Alright, so for multiplying the first two. So I'm gonna do 3 different ways you can enter the formulas in. So we can click in the cell where you want your answer to start, and you can come up here to insert function, okay, and the matrix formula is in the array section. And if you look, it's this M-M-U-L-T, M-mult, the matrix product of two matrices, and you just click on that. Alright, now you're probably wondering, well, what do we enter in? How do we put this in? Well, if you need help, there's this little question mark right here. We can click that, and it tells us matrix 1, comma, matrix 2, and you can expand this and it shows you a little more detail here. Okay, alright, and that's what, and then there's a learn more. I don't know what that does. Well, let's just see, and it gives you a little more of a description here. Okay, and it goes on to some other formulas that are similar. We may do some videos on these too. I don't know, we'll see. We may do some more of those, but yeah, that's what that is. Alright, and we can close that, and we can close this help out. So basically what we do is we highlight the first matrix, put a comma, highlight the second, and then you just hit enter, and there's your answer. It's that simple. So you just go to insert function. Okay, alright, let's look at something else. Here's two matrices we're going to multiply together. Instead of going to the insert function, I'm just going to hit the equal sign, and then I'm going to start typing the formula, and see how it pops up here. So to accept, you can hit the tab key, or you can click this up here. We're going to hit the tab key this time. So we hit the tab key, and it automatically pops it up there. And if you want, you can finish typing it out. That's fine. And so we highlight the first one, comma, and then we highlight the second matrix. Okay. And then we're going to close the parenthesis. It didn't close the when you go to insert function, it puts the two parentheses there, but when you type it, it doesn't put that last parenthesis. And then we hit equals. Uh-oh, and we got an error message here. Alright, let's see what this error tells us. Let's hover over. It says M-mult has incomplete matrix sizes. The number of columns in the first matrix must equal the number of rows in the second matrix. And we can see that if we come over here. Whoops, let me get this back over. There we go. Let's click over here. Alright, so if we come over here, we can see that this matrix C, it has 3 rows by 2 columns. And matrix D has 3 rows by 3 columns. And we know if we want to multiply matrices that the 2 inside numbers must be the same, and you can see these 2 are not the same, so we can't multiply those matrices together. That's why it's giving us that error message. Alright, and then let's look at the last one. Well, looking at the last one, notice this first one up here, our solution was a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns, because the 2 matrices we multiplied together were 2 rows, 2 columns times 2 rows, 2 columns. Well, if you look at this over here, let's just check real quick to see if we can multiply these together. This is 3, whoops. This is 2 rows by 3 columns, and this is 3 rows by 3 columns. And we can see that the 2 inside numbers are the same, so that means we can multiply them together. And then our solution, our product matrix, should be a 2 by 3. So our answer, it should give us 2 rows and 3 columns as our answer. So we're going to hit equal. Whoops, let me get back over here. We're going to hit equal, and then we'll start typing in the formula. And instead of hitting the tab key, I'm going to click this. And then we do this matrix, comma, and then this matrix, close the parentheses, and hit equals. And there's our solution. And you can see our answer gives us a 2 by 3 matrix as an answer. Alright, well, I hope this video helped. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment. And I will see y'all in the next one. Later.